Let's get into this real budget that I helped somebody with recently. So she makes $4,200 per month, and she was broke at the end of every month, going negative in her bank accounts. She couldn't figure out what was going on. So I helped her get that together. By the way, these are the December budgeting worksheets that I just dropped into the budget club. So if you're already a member, go check those out and download them, and you can use them this month. If you're not a member yet, go check it out because we got a lot of cool stuff going on in there, and we have a live call coming up at the end of December. Okay, so you see me here just writing down her staples, which are her fixed expenses. This is all of your bills with due dates, all of your debt payments, all your subscriptions, all of that. If it has a due date, it goes in this section. You want to write them all out and then total them up, and the total here is $27.65. Subtract that from your income to get the leftover, and then we're moving on to spending categories. This is your variable expenses. The most common are grocery and gas, but you need to include your spending habits here so you can actually stick to your budget. So you see that we are adding money for eating out so that she can eat fast food because that's important to her. This will allow her to stick to her budget while also hitting her goals. And then we have a buffer there too. We're going to total that out and get the leftover. Then we're going to add the staples and the spending totals and put them up here up top with the monthly income. And girl, I was rushing and wrote the wrong total here. It's supposed to be $3,750. Subtract that from your income to get your leftover. And in this case, we have $450. That leftover is what you're going to use to allocate out to your savings. So in this case, she's building her emergency fund. So we have $250 going to emergency fund and $200 going to retirement because it is super important that you are saving for retirement as soon as possible. The point here is we want to have $0 left over because we're doing a zero-based budget. Every single dollar that you bring in needs to have a job. Don't get scared of the zero leftover. That's why we have a buffer in the spending categories just in case. What we did here is the monthly overview. So this is planning out your entire month with your income and all of your bills to see where you fall. This is basically the plan that you're going to follow all month to make sure that your money does what you want it to do. Ideally, you would do this before the start of a new month, along with a planning calendar where you plan out your paychecks versus your bills to see how everything falls. I hope that helps, and I have a couple of really exciting things coming up, so let me tell you really quick. The Budget Club is where you can find monthly budgeting sheets, monthly money challenges, and we have monthly live group calls. The next call is on December 30th, so come join and see what that's about. I also have a new live free training that I'm going to be doing. Like I said, live. I'm planning for December 27th, and the wait list is at the top of my page in that link. So go get on the wait list. I'll email you when it's time to sign up for the training. We'll also have like a live Q&A in there, and it's going to be really fun, so come hang out with me. I'm also doing a giveaway of Her Money Mastery Academy. I'm giving away 5 spots over the next 5 weeks. It starts on December 22nd is when I'll pick the first name. So to enter, go follow me here. The link to that is at the top of my page if you want it. And DM me the word giveaway on this platform, and I will send you the link to get into the giveaway. And like I said, I'll be picking 1 name per week for the next 5 weeks. We got a lot going on, but that's because I'm trying to help you get your shit together before the start of the new year, okay? So go enter all these things, and just remember, at the end of the day, you got this, friend.